the old Astra that I was building, which came out of this Western airplane. And then,
as the aircraft passes, please notice for wing leading edge flaps and large powered lift wing flaps. These devices literally change the shape of the C-17, so Major Blunt and Major Orbison can let this aircraft fly as slow as possible.
Where they're at. And I've been to
Major Blunt and Major Orbison have to fly this massive beast as slow as they can, so we can land this half-a-million-pound airplane on a runway that's only 3,500 feet long.
That's impressive. I got to see the 380 at Harvard a couple weeks ago. I've seen a soft balloon a year and a half ago on the ground. Right?
C-17 is now maneuvered to show full flight in action and demonstrates advanced aerodynamics in action. The aircraft will respond to series of feedback pressure over the airfield. In case you're wondering how big the aircraft actually is, the wingspan tip to tip is about half the length of a football field, about 170 feet long. The tail is over 5 stories tall. Empty, the C-17 weighs more than 280,000 pounds, but with the maximum cargo and fuel loaded, that gross weight rises to nearly 500,000 pounds, about 585,000 pounds total gross weight. Notice the upturned wing tips or winglets. These decrease aerodynamic drag and increase fuel economy. To give you a better idea of the aircraft's overall size, those winglets are over 9 feet tall.
So, yeah, I think with enough planning, we can certainly get something in.
February, mid-February, we should like to...
I just did last year.
Well, we're building a lot earlier. Last year we started in December.
The aircraft is extremely agile at both high and low speeds, making it easy to operate in any tactical situation, including the combat delivery capability of a paratrooper or heavy equipment airdrop.
Yeah, I'd certainly like to have discussion about strategy for growth for the future.
The C-17 uses a quadruple redundant fly-by-wire system to run all of its flight controls. The fly-by-wire system means the aircraft's flight controls are electronically operated by inputs from the control stick. There are 4 separate flight control computers, each of which can manage the entire system by itself. The computers continuously monitor all the flight controls and each other. If there are any problems, they automatically work around the disabled system. In addition to these features, the C-17 still has a mechanical backup. The aircraft is maneuvering and demonstrating a full-flap approach to a simulated short-field runway. This short-field capability allows the C-17 Globemaster III to land at over 6,000 more airfields worldwide than currently available to commercial wide-body aircraft. The C-17 has been used in a number of military operations, including Joint Endeavor in Bosnia, Allied Force in Kosovo, Northern and Southern Watch in Iraq, Atlas Response in Mozambique and South Africa, Enduring Freedom in Afghanistan, and Iraqi Freedom. In addition to moving personnel and more material, C-17s conducted numerous food drops early in the campaign. Beginning in October 7th of 2001, the first day of the war, the Air Force began flying 2 to 4 food drops per day from an altitude of 25,000 feet. Each C-17 unloaded about 17,000 humanitarian daily rations over Afghanistan. C-17 you see today weighs almost 400,000 pounds. On final airspeed is approximately 120 miles per hour.
Another one?